thunderstorm watch number 531 remains in effect until 10 o'clock p.m. and now includes the following independent city, the Virginia independent city of Fredericksburg. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable to the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen to later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television